It's a very short program, but I hope that it is worth every while. It is a reflection of much joy, sweat, nerves. It's the culmination of that process. And during this hour that you are going to be here, we ask you to reflect on the journey that we have walked and celebrate the moment that we are in here. We've had bumpy rides, we've had smooth sails, we've had bumps against our walls, and here we are, we're still standing. And I think that's a good thing. And having said that, there's no better way to mark this moment than to say South Africa's prayer, our national anthem. I ask you to rise and observe the necessary decorum as we say our prayer. Thank you. I ask you to remain standing and observe a moment of silence so that you can savor that prayer. Thank you. Thank you very much. You may be seated.